This is a great show after this, but all we need to get started is a word.
AstroTurf.
AstroTurf.
Okay. All right, so there's a small patch of AstroTurf, and on it is a Franklin soccer ball.
This small patch of AstroTurf is surrounded by natural grass. Surrounded.
The soccer ball is one of those old-fashioned like black and white squared ones, but all the black squares were colored in with a Sharpie.
Right in the center of the AstroTurf is a fake tree trunk, but live actual branches.
There's an iguana on the tree trunk. A real iguana. I'm going to this side then. If you notice the edges of the AstroTurf, they were cut with like those really weird scissors that like zigzag. And so there's this really odd edge to it. It's not really square.
The iguana is wearing a toupee.
Sir, before you show the work, or we show the work that we did, well, you know, your son's not necessarily going to be the same. We saved most of him. Well, as you can see, his torso is a mannequin, but we saved all of his actual arms and legs.
Does he have like insides?
Well, it's mostly hollow. But think about all the fun that you could have patting your new son on the back and maybe singing a song with him.
Does he have lungs? Is the resonance kind of different in a hollow chest cavity? I don't know. He always sang the high parts. Is he going to be the bass now? I can't deal with that. I'm the baritone.
Well, here's the fun thing.
Look, this is very confusing.
His mannequin body is made of TPE. It's a special kind of plastic that has flexibility to it. So if you give it a nice squeeze...
Black.
What?
Black.
You can get all the blacks you want.
Hey kid, you're new here in school. Whoa! Listen, I'm trying to get in with a tough crowd. I'm supposed to kick your ass, but I can't do it! I can't do it!
Give me your wallet.
Black. So anything exciting happened at school today, son? You look upset. I feel the skinny part. There's the skin. Look, I know you're different. And I know it's hard. But, you know, everyone's different. No one's really the same. Black. You know, you don't have to talk to me that way. Do this. You know, foul language is going to get you anywhere. They're just jealous. Clothes off.
Oh, I don't mind that you have a kid. I think it's cool.
Thanks. I know, it's really hard to date with an older child.
Now, before you take a look at your daughter, I'm going to have to let you know that we were only able to save her torso. So, what about limbs? What can you do for limbs? Well, here's the thing. We just took apart a mannequin recently to use only its torso, so we can use those arms and legs for her arms and legs.
So my daughter has a human torso and fake mannequin limbs.
Yeah, you can talk to her. She can talk all like perfectly fine.
Honey, are you okay?
Yeah, sorry to mold the hands like that, but it was holding 2 Subway sandwiches.
We zoom in on one of the hands, and it
kind of looks like a raw young chicken.
There's a gaudy emerald ring on, I guess, what would have been like the leg of a chicken? I don't know.
The thumbnail is like obnoxiously long, but the index finger has been chewed down beyond the end of the finger, and the other 3 fingernails are just kind of growing.
All of the fingers have at least one like 3-inch long hair growing out.
The ring finger and the pinky finger are molded at the end, and there's like a small gap between the two of them.
Well, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving. I brought a casserole.
Put it on the counter.
Okay.
If anybody else brought a casserole, put it on the counter.
I brought the old crock pot.
Oh, well, I wasn't expecting the need for power. Okay.
Plug that in.
Okay, Matthew, you put it over there on the counter. I guess you could unplug the toaster for a couple hours. Son of a
What if we
bitch.
want
I have this joint cider.
Put it on the counter.
What's the matter with
The
you?
toaster doesn't look good next to the crock pot, so I'm just going to put it in the high shelf.
Who does he think he is?
He's ruining Thanksgiving.
No one brings a crock pot to Thanksgiving.
Microwave!
Well, this is just going to hell.
Oh, we're going to unplug the coffee maker to get that in. Go ahead, just put it on the high shelf.
You've lost control. I'm taking my casserole back. Excuse me.
Mom, I have not lost control.
Oh, you've lost control. There's all kinds of electronic devices in here. What next?
Thanksgiving has only been on for like 4 minutes. Toasted coffee, my favorite Black Friday tradition. I mean... check in the top shelf.
Oh, how am I supposed to get it down from there?
I'll get you a step stool. I'll be right back. I'll go in the basement for it.
There are candles on sale, honey. Candles! Premium candles at discount prices! I have to be there by 6 a.m. Who's Matthew? Why is he calling?
What?
Hello?
Hey, Matthew from the candle store. Can't wait to give you all those Black Friday sales.
I don't know if I'm going to make it.
What do you mean you're not going to make it? The line's starting now. Better get the line first so you get those discount candles.
Anyway, you might as well give up, honey. The
Candles,
parking,
candles, candles.
the parking is going to be crazy. I'm so sorry,
Christmas is canceled.
Christmas now? We can't lose.
So, no candles at all?
It's the blackest Black Friday there ever was.
You zoom in on the corner, and it's a very, very just dark spot. Like no light gets in there at all.
If you could see it, you'd see that there was a mouse home.
Right inside the mouse home entrance, there's a little mouse welcome mat.
There's a stack of mouse bills.
Yeah, I can't remember. How long has it been since we've lived here?
3 hours.
You know what? Time flies.
It really does.
It does.
You know. You know what I found the other day?
What?
A candle.
It's just thrown in the corner. Just thrown in the corner?
Yeah, I dragged it in. Told it in.
Oh my God! I knew that the room felt a little more cozy.
Tastes terrible.
Well, you shouldn't be. It's a decorative candle, so you shouldn't be eating it anyways.
It's hit blueberry.
and non-decorative candles. Doesn't matter what taste they are. If they're decorative, they should be decorative.
If they're flavored, they should be.
That's a good point, honey. See?
Hey guys. Hi. I found a pellet inside a cardboard tube. It was brightly colored and a little sticky.
There's no more enjoying eating the wine?
I'm feeling too hot.
Fast forward 7 minutes.
I hate the candle.
We're gonna. Here's what we do. We're gonna take out the match and we gotta melt the candle over him. Hide him. Hide him, honey. Oh, what's wrong, honey? Do you not understand? Oh, honey, let me get you some dinner real quick. It's a nice color. It's blueberry. It doesn't have a flavor. It's blueberry. Is it? Trust me.
Fast forward 9 minutes.
Mr. Mouse Detective, good to see you.
Nice to see you again, Miss Mouse Mom. Now, files down at City Hall show that you have 2 mouse kids. At the moment, I see none.
Where would they be? They said that they were going to go out for an indiscriminate amount of time.
You know, ma'am, I've been doing this job most of my life. 4 years. and I gotta say, I can always smell a liar.
What are you saying? I'm just trying to relax.
Guilty people often try to relax in ridiculous poses. You comfortable, are you?
I'm really comfortable.
Just kind of hovering there, feel comfortable? Your tail don't ache?
Not at all.
All right. Well,
Nothing to be worried about, Mr. Mouse Detective.
Got that look about you. What'll it be, a double?
Yes!
that's right, mouse bartender. Tough ass day, I'll tell you that much. Had to shoot 2 cats. And then there's this one mouse mother with this look in her eye. Something don't seem right.
How's your gut? You're the best detective in all of Mouse City.
You wouldn't just say that, would you?
Say that. You know, I had down here earlier, Mouse Detective 2. I told him, hey, you're second best.
You said it like it is. I want you to have my ankle cut. As a token of my appreciation.
Thanks.
You might need it someday.
Oh, I hope not.
Hey, random question. I come here all the time. You know me.
Yeah, this is Mouse.
Yeah, of course. Do you have any super dark corners?
Yeah, we do a poor job of, we got a cleaning here.
Oh, good. And another random question. What time are you closed?
2 a.m. Well, we stop serving at 2 a.m. Stay open, figure it out. But see, the thing with our corners is they're mouse-sized corners. So if you were looking to hide something like mouse-sized, it would look giant in our
I wasn't thinking of doing anything like that.
We zoom in on the bar rack here, and we see that it's got a checkered pattern.
The black part of the checkers are just drawn in with Sharpie.
stained with alcohol, so sort of that sepia tone brown.
The tag that said that it was from Target was torn off.
It's like what's clearly like a smashed stew carrot in the middle of the rack.
If you get really close to it, you think it will smell like alcohol, but it really just smells like despair and loneliness.
It's a windy day for a picnic, everybody, so stand on the corners.
I brought a casserole.
Put it on one of the corners, Pete.
It's in the basket. Oh, that smells fantastic.
Hey, Carl, we all want to try it with our hands, okay?
First, all ready, we'll eat.
Hope you don't mind. I brought a crock pot.
Oh, you put it on one of the corners.
Yeah, just gonna plug it into the generator here.
Wait a second.
Ooh, you can't bring a generator to a state park.
I know, it's bubbling quite nicely.
What did you guys say?
No, don't think you can bring a generator to a state park.
I said it's bubbling quite nicely.
I'm really close to this generator. And I'm trying to keep one foot on the blanket while the wind doesn't take. There's been a cold front.
Watch.
This smells fantastic. Stop it.
Oh, here.
What?
Well, I ran out of gas. I'm gonna go get some.
I was just about to leave, but I'll stay.
Nice picnic.
It's very windy out.
Sure, great.
Make the winds going down, maybe. That was really fast.
I keep an extra tank in the car.
Oh, yeah.
I can only dispense it in approved containers, so it's gonna have to be something other than a McDonald's land glass.
What are those two McDonald's land glasses?
It's gotta have a cap. They have a cap. I mean,
I've got a Burger King cap, but they should be universal. Large is large. So throw that on the McDonald Land Cup.
all right, $5 on number 3.
It's gonna be a good picnic.
Awesome.
I'm sorry. I know you're stuck here for what's it, 12 hours now?
Hey, big strong man. How was work today?
I did something bad. Really? I did something real bad. I know large isn't large. Why would I sell him that gasoline? He put it in unapproved containers.
Milk from the jug. I got the cap in my hand. Funny, sometimes save a little, I want to have cereal in the morning. Sometimes the lines between right and wrong are gray or blurred or blurry gray. But just know that I love you and that you'll always be a good guy.
So I brought in all the Tupperware from my house and my mom's house. I'm sure some of the caps match the bases. Fill them up.
It's a security camera up here. Just installed it.
All right,
If you're not going to do it, I'm going to start filling it myself. But
all right. $23.79 on 3. Go ahead. Oh, all right. $23.84. One of them is.
all right, I'm going to get rid of the twist and lock Ziploc one. What's it now?
23.
Oh, perfect. I got $23.
Cash. Hey, boss.
See,
Wow, you're here early for your shift.
a little disturbed that the security saw.
What security footage? We don't have a camera. Our camera's been broken for months.
Not the new one.
Why didn't I hear that?
You're too busy dispensing gas in unapproved containers.
I'm so sorry, boss.
What are you trying to do, kill
The
people?
line between right and wrong is fuzzy and gray.
Hey, what next?
It's like a moldy peach.
Drinking things out of a carton?
Well, milk, yeah. That's what milk cartons are for.
Why did I hire you? Dear God, you just have no morals.
It's true. It's true. I'm the worst. I'm the literal worst.
You're not the worst.
I'm the...
Anyone would have sold gas in random Tupperware with no matching tops. That's right. Hold on. I'm going to get a shovel. I'm going to get a shovel for that son of a bitch. Hold on.
I'm supposed to get a shovel. Honey, I'm your big, strong man.
Keep your mouth shut till I get this shovel. Okay. Okay. See that, honey?
Yeah.
I see. Oh. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Can you get enough leverage? This seems excessive. I'm content to let it go.
So how long have you hated your husband? Appears you have some anger issues of working out.
Yeah, I hated him ever since he lost his fucking backbone. Made me get my hands dirty for him and do the dirty work. I murdered a surveillance agent.
So, how was your visit to Dr. Hammerschlimmer?
Average. It was average. A lot of yelling and him crying.
So proud of you.
Do you think you could go above 25 miles an hour?
It's a speed limit, and I don't have to go 35.
It's just a suggestion. Big man, an extra 5 miles.
I'm gonna pull over. As soon as...
You put on your turn signal, didn't you?
Yeah, of course. Hazards. This is a hazard for our relationship.
Joe.